Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to see the differences between adjournment and prorogation. First let us see what adjournment is. As we know that a session of parliament consists of many meetings and each meeting is divided into two sittings. They are morning sitting and post lunch sitting. The morning sitting is between 11 am and 1 pm and post lunch sitting is between 2 pm and 6 pm. So, the sittings of the parliament can be terminated by adjournment, adjournment sine die, prorogation and dissolution. Coming to the adjournment, it suspends the work in a sitting for a specified time. That is, it may be hours, days or weeks. Also note that this adjournment only terminates a sitting and not the session of the house. Next, who does the adjournment? It is done by presiding officer of that particular house, that is speaker in case of Lok Sabha and chairman in case of Rajya Sabha. Next, the adjournment does not affect the bills or any other business pending before the house and it can be resumed when the house meets again. Coming to the adjournment sine die. It terminates the sitting of the parliament for an indefinite period. The power of adjournment sine die also lies with the presiding officer of that house. Also note that he can also call a sitting of the house before the time or date to which it has been adjourned or any time after the house has been adjourned sine die. And finally, let us discuss about prorogation. This is done by the President of India. Unlike adjournment, it not only terminates a sitting but also terminates the entire session of the house. Prorogation does not affect the bills or any other business pending before the house. However, all the pending notices other than those of introducing bills lapse on prorogation and fresh notices have to be given for the next session. Also, the difference in Indian system and British system is, in Britain, prorogation brings to an end all the bills or any other business pending before the house. Now, let us discuss a previous year question based on this. Which of the following statements are correct? Statement number 1. A bill pending in Lok Sabha lapses on its prorogation. This is false because it does not lapse on prorogation. Statement number 2. A bill pending in Rajya Sabha which has not been passed by Lok Sabha shall not lapse on dissolution of Lok Sabha. This statement is true. So the answer is B, 2 only. Thank you.